Oh, I'm so excited you're here today. I am going to go deep diving into Lolita por Vida, and we are going to try it out. I'm going to show you how I build this warm romantic look, perfect for date night, everyday wear, or to the office. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss my special surprise. Lolita por Vida, Rosaria, Destina, Juanita, Silvia, Amorcito, Luna, Esperanza, Reina, Enamorada, Dulces Sueños, La Lupe, Carino, Romantica, Cruz, Menuca, Sonrisa, Precioso. Hello, beauty lovers. I am so excited to introduce to you my new friend, Lolita por Vida, a limited edition palette from Kat Von D Beauty. This palette is absolutely beautiful, but we're gonna try it out. Here you go. There's 18 pans, 9 of which are traditional mattes. There are 6 traditional shimmers, 2 super foils, and 1 glitter. Now, of course, you don't have to use all of the glitter and the super foils, but they are beautiful, and we're going to build some looks. Now, this is a limited edition palette which sells on Sephora for $49.50. The entire palette consists of 20.68 grams of product, working out to $2.39 per gram. 15 of the eyeshadows are 1.13 grams each. 2 of the eyeshadows are 1.3 grams, those would be the super foil, and 1 is 1.13 grams, and that of course would be the glitter. Straight in to building a romantic look. Now this has a color story of warms, neutrals, mauves or cools, and we are going to go right away. And I'm going to go with, forgive me, I do not speak Spanish, Enamorado, and I'm using a flat smudge brush from e.l.f. And one of the new products I am trying out today is the Wonder2 Prime and Behold Color Cosmetics Primer, $22 at CVS, and that is 5 grams. And I'm taking that same color under on the waterline. Next, I'm taking Esperanza and my Sigma E45 small tapered blending brush. I'm going to use that as my transitional shade. Not quite to my brow. In Lolita por Vida, I'm going to lay that on in a tight circle in the inner corner and the outer corner, leaving the center of my lid bare. And just kind of spiraling outward, very light pressure, tap, tap, tap. And taking one of the super foils and just my finger, I'm going to gently roll that in the center in the color Luna. Using a teeny indiscriminate brush, I am laying just a little bit of that Luna on the inner corner. And taking a brush of undetermined origin, I am just stippling a little to make sure my colors are married up. And winging out the color just a little bit on the side. I'm going to pop on some liner and some mascara and some lipstick off camera, and then I will show you the final look and give you my thoughts. All right, let me stop being silly. What did I think of it? Okay, so I think the per gram cost is extremely reasonable at $2.39 per gram for the palette. I think that for this number of eyeshadows, that it's very, very reasonable, especially considering that I just recently tried Natasha Denona's Sunset palette, which at $129 seems so crazy to me compared to $49.50. Getting 18 eyeshadows for $49.50 at a cost of $239 seems incredibly reasonable compared to getting 15 pans at $344. Now, I thought the color story was magnificent, and that's what really attracted me to this palette in the first place. It's because I really like her lipstick, Lolita. It's actually one of my very, very favorite shades. And often if I'm trying a high-end lipstick, I will essentially attempt to buy something that's very close to Lolita, because I feel like Lolita is pretty much a universally flattering shade, if there is such a thing as universal. I felt like there was a little bit of fallout in the pan, so if that is upsetting to you, do know that there is going to be a tiny bit of fallout, particularly with the mattes. The super foils were so sexy. They just glide across your eyelid like a dream. No tugging, no dragging, absolutely beautiful pigmentation. I was very, very happy with those. Now, I do think this is a really versatile palette in that it's going to be very easy to do a neutral look, an everyday kind of look, an evening look, and a special occasion look. You might not want to use the glitter and the foil, but I am all about some glitter and foil, so I'm going to use it. Now, I did use my full Fat Lashes Charlotte Tilbury mascara. I used a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal liquid liner on the lower lash in Barbarella Brown, and I do have Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Lolita on the lips. Now let's talk just a little bit about the Wonder2 Prime and Behold. Now, I have never used that primer before. Here we go. And you can kind of see it has an iridescent shimmer to it. And I found personally, at least on my skin, that did not appear to go away. Now, it describes itself as being designed for color cosmetics. It doesn't specifically say eyeshadow, but obviously with a doe foot, something this large, it's for eyeshadow. Tiny little doe foot there. Clearly not an all over the face primer. Now, what I did like about it is I actually felt like this allowed really good adhesion, a very good hold. I don't feel like it changed the eyeshadow at all, even though it is technically holographic. So that's great. It didn't seem to change the eyeshadow. It allowed for great adhesion. It's very interesting, the kind of shimmer effect that it has, like a holographic effect in and of itself. Now, if you were going for an all matte, which this is obviously not an all matte eye look, but I wonder if that would clash. But so far, I really, really, really like this. I actually think I like this a little bit better than the other eye primer that I recently tried, which I don't have on my makeup table, which is the Eye Basics Laura Mercier eye primer in linen. So thus far, this I like better. Now, this is made in the United States. Lolita is made in France. It is vegan, it is cruelty-free, and it is beautiful. So I really do think that this is gorgeous. The packaging is fantastic. The palette and the outer box match. You can kind of see it has foil for the Por Vita and an interesting embossed effect on the lettering. Don't quote me, I could be wrong, but I believe that the tattoo artist BJ Betts actually designed this lettering. He is a lettering specialist, and although Kat Von D claims that she does all the art for the packaging, I think she's fibbing just a little bit, because there has definitely been some tea regarding BJ Betts and his lettering for her for her packaging. So I do think that BJ is the one who ended up doing that lettering, and it is beautiful. I'll just show you up close here. Beautiful packaging. Has a very nice big mirror. I'm really looking forward to getting some more use out of that package, but I think this is a beautiful everyday look. Very pretty. Hey, I just wanted to show you the 5-hour mark of my makeup. I have had one meal and I've had a few soft drinks, and I think my makeup is holding up pretty darn well. Now, unfortunately, I don't believe I'm going to be able to check back in at the 8-hour mark like I normally would, because I am leaving for New York. But this is what you got. I think completely acceptable. Because you've been good, you haven't been naughty, have you? I am going to give one lucky subscriber this fabulous heavy-duty makeup bag. And this has a handle, or you can do shoulder, and I'm gonna unzip it and show you the wonder. Now, I travel a great deal, so this is going to be super helpful. This one is mine. You, of course, will get one of your own. Got a zippered pocket here, flap, and you could put hair tools like a hairbrush or other assorted things that you wanted in this pocket. It's got the nice little Velcro tab to hold it down. Here we've got a cargo net, lots of storage there. Under here, again, Velcro, and this has some protective plastic. You can see there's little holes for brushes. And then this bad boy, which I love, and I kept one of the pieces out purposefully. They're made out of some kind of foam. You need a different size, take it away. You need lots more room, get rid of those. Some here. You can really customize it, and I think this is going to be incredibly practical for the woman who, like myself, is traveling a lot and is always worried about her high-end makeup getting broken. This will fit as a carry-on in any airline, and I think it's absolutely fabulous. And I think this is going to be a really fun giveaway. So as always, my giveaways are international. They're open to anyone in the world. You simply need to follow the rules, because I can't give it to you if you don't follow the rules, which are listed in my description. So I am going to announce the winner 1 week from today's video publishing, and I will give you a shout out so you can have that before Christmas. Oh, and there is one other part to it. This, which actually forms an extra pad on the handle, which I think is pretty cool. So if your hands are fatigued, you don't have to worry about any nylon chafing your beautiful hands. And I just want to thank you so much for spending some time with me. It's awesome to share the love of makeup and to really feel a sense of community. And I'm so, so grateful that you chose to click on this video. Now, of course, the pitch, as always, if you like my work, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I read all my comments. I appreciate my every subscriber, and I hope that you are enjoying your holiday season, that everything is going your way. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and join me next time. I am Nicole from Nicole Beauty Co. Ciao.